competition. We are in a challenge, guys. I need your help to complete this challenge. Please go over to my profile, like that pin post. Ruchion, go over to my profile, like that pin post, and I will do an outfit check. Okay, come on, it's time to go to the bath or go get your butt change. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go potty or go change your diaper. Let's go. I know you're poopy. I smell it. I can tell it's you. Leo, thank you, Leo, for joining. Can you do me a favor? No! Hey, stop that. Can you go to my most recently pinned video? It's my top post that I have. Will you please go and hit the like button on that? Okay, lay down. I'm taking it. It's mine. It's mine. Lay down. Everybody needs a butt change. Too bad. Lay down. Go lay right here. Over here, guys. Come on. In your listening ears, I said come lay over here, please, because this is where all the diapers and stuff are. Stand up, because you're going to make a mess. Come on, stand up. You need to listen. Use your listening ears. Come over here. I'm going to take all these dishes, put them in.
Then you try to pin this tail on the dog.
Millie, don't step on him or you'll be in trouble.
Students across Michigan receive education that fits their
Oh my God, guys.
Michigan Virtual Charter Academy.
Everybody wants to be on TikTok. Everybody. Who doesn't? Ah! Leo, you're so funny. Hey, JD, will you do me a favor? Will you please go to my profile and like my most recently pinned video? That would mean so much to me. We're in the middle of a competition. I'm trying to beat everybody else. You guys are helping me beat everybody else, so thank you guys so much. And Antonio Urbina, hi there. Can you also go to my profile and can you please hit the like button here and brought it to me like that and you're spilling it everywhere? Get out of my kitchen. Okay. No, I'm not gonna put down my camera. I'm changing diapers. I'm gonna get up. Privacy of my children, shit.
Before we salute, I was constantly Googling military discount for everything.
This is me.
From car
Can you
rentals
please go to my...
Now, it's all in one
Oh,
place.
thank you so much, Ebu Shifa. I hope you hit like on them. I appreciate you so much. Thank you guys. You guys are the best. Hold on. Actually, you know what I was doing? Oh, thank you, King. Oh, King, it's been a minute since I've seen you. Thank you for the cake slices.
On average, members save about $1,200 a year without having to dig.
Okay, it's time to clean the living room. I'm about to turn these lights on, though, because we don't need no lights on. These kids be turning on my lights, using up my power and shit. Thank you, good luck, 313. Good luck, 313. I bet that means you're from Detroit. I'm also from Detroit. Since we are both from Detroit and we are Detroit. Thank you, Sean Minter. Will you please, Sean, will you pretty please go over to my profile and like my pin post, both of them, but more or less the one that says you're too pretty. Will you please? Lance Hampton, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Tremaine, I'm not going to say the last part. Tremaine, will you please go over to my profile and like that pin post? You guys are amazing. Just spam the like button on that pin, both the pin posts, but mainly the one that says you're too pretty. Hello, Nixon. Will you please go to my profile and like my pin post? I'm trying to win a competition. I would really appreciate your guys' help. I would love having you guys help us win. Thank you.
Different musicians.